Hello everyone, how are you all? I hope you're doing well. In this video, you'll see a unique way to repair and make a broken electrical plug and get it working again. Sometimes buying a new plug can be a hassle. So, in today's video, I'd like to share a practical way to make an electrical plug using materials you probably already have at home. First, I'll start by cutting this broken electrical plug. After cutting the plug from the wire, I'll divide it into two small wires inside. Then, I'll cut off the excess rubber insulation. Now, for these two wires, I'll remove about 1 centimeter of plastic insulation from each end. That's all we need for now. Next, I will use a utility knife to carefully scrape away this section, aiming to expose the plug pin. The rubber casing here is quite thick and durable, so exercise caution and ensure you don't injure your hands. This step requires a little more force, but always proceed with care to prevent any accidental cuts. There we are. Now, we will replicate this process on the opposite side. So now, we have two pins fully prepared for the construction of our new plug. Here, I have two empty plastic bottles. We're going to repurpose the bottlenecks and caps after securing the caps on a wooden board. I'll smooth out any rough edges with a saw and then proceed to sand them down. We now have two perfectly prepared bottle caps. I'll mark a single central point for the main cable. Now, using a suitable drill bit, I will bore the necessary holes. The fit is perfect. I will now thread the two prepared wires through the single-holed cap. After trimming any excess cap material, next, we connect these wires to the salvaged plug pins, securing them firmly by wrapping the copper tightly around the pin terminals. I'll slide the cap down a bit and wrap the exposed copper wires tightly around the cap's base. For crucial insulation, I'll apply several layers of high-quality electrical tape around the connections between the wires and the plug pins. Now, it's time to bring the two pieces together. I'll pass the wired pins through the second cap and secure the pins to the cap using a strong adhesive. To create an incredibly durable bond, I'll introduce a unique strengthening agent, baking soda. I'll sprinkle it over the glue and then apply more adhesive on top. This process is repeated until the baking soda completely covers and reinforces the lid. This mixture dries rock hard, making the connection exceptionally strong. The final step is to securely join the two caps. Everything aligns perfectly. Using a hot glue gun, I'll apply a generous bead of glue around the entire circumference where the two caps meet. I'll then press the two lids together firmly. Adding more hot glue for complete sealing. We've successfully crafted a unique and functional electrical plug entirely from two plastic bottle caps. With a few simple steps, we transformed waste into a valuable tool, saving both money and resources. Try this project out and share your results. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.